Let's make a farm. Here's our farm. Now here we have some horses. They're excited to go in the farm. Here's a tractor with hay. We're going to put the hay in the stable. Now let's add some more animals to the farm. Here we have some cows. They're excited to go in the field. We have some more farm animals. We have a pony, a mule, and a donkey. We have some more animals, but let's get the pond ready for the goose and ducks. Let's put the chickens by the stable. Now we have a delivery of vegetables for the animals. We have some carrots and pumpkins. Let's get some hay from the stable. Then let's give it to the horses. Here's a round bale for the cows. We take care of the animals. That makes them happy. Okay, thank you for helping taking care of the animals. Happy animals make a happy world.